Namaste everyone, my name is Kaustubh. You are watching the School Tak News channel. My topic is Pahalgam attack. On April 22, a terrorist attack happened on Pahalgam, India, in which 25 citizens were killed. It happened along the LOC, the de facto border between India and Pakistan, set in 1972. India condemned the attack, with PM Modi stating that the culprits will face justice and reaffirming India's stronghold against tourism. The Pakistan Ministry of Foreign expressed condolences and concern over loss of tourist lives.
The 2025 Pahalgam attack was on tourists by terrorists on firearmed tourists near Pahalgam in Indian administrated Jammu and Kashmir, in which 26 civilians were killed on 22nd April 2025. The militants mainly targeted the Hindu tourists. A Christian tourist and a local Muslim was also killed. The attack was armed with M4 carbines and AK-47s, who entered the tourist spots by Baisaran Valley, surrounded by dense pine forests. This incident is considered the deadliest attack on civilians in India since the 2008 Mumbai attacks.
During the recent conflict between India and Pakistan, both the nations employed a variety of advanced military equipment. India utilized guided munitions like BrahMos cruise missiles, Clap cruise missile and hammer bombs, along with the fighter jets such as Rafale and Mirage 2000. Pakistan reportedly used drones and long-range weapons and loitering munitions to target military and civilian sites. Additionally, both the sides deployed various air defense systems and small arms.
Stuti Lunia. Today I will tell you why did ceasefire happen. They stated that 36 countries had brokered a truce. However, an Indian official told Agence France Presse that the ceasefire was negotiated bilaterally in the sense that stoppage of fighting and military actions between India and Pakistan was worked out directly between the two countries.
Paridhi Meherwal. A more detailed breakdown on Operation Sindoor. Target selection. The strikes were deliberately targeted at terrorist infrastructure, including training camps and logistical support facilities, with an attempt to avoid direct attacks on Pakistan's military bases and to signal restraint. Political signal. The inclusion of targets in Murid and Bahawalpur, cities in Pakistan's Punjab province, was a deliberate political signal to Pakistan's leadership. Limited escalation. While aiming to deter future attacks, Operation Sindoor was designed to be non-escalatory, with India aiming to avoid a full-scale war. Pakistan response. Pakistan retaliated with its own strikes, including attacks on religious sites and claims of downing Indian jets. International mediation. The crisis highlighted the need of international mediation from countries with close ties to both India and Pakistan to prevent further escalation. Following the Pahalgam attack, India initiated Operation Sindoor, a series of precision strikes targeting the terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan, administrated Kashmir and Pakistani Punjab. This operation was launched on May 7, 2025, aimed to retaliate for the attack while attempting to avoid escalating the conflict into a full-blown war.
The recent India-Pakistan conflict concluded with the ceasefire agreement on 10 May 2025. Following 4 days intense military actions, the conflict characterized by significant geographic intensity saw both countries exchange strikes on military targets and face escalations of using advanced weaponry. While the ceasefire was initially covered by the United States, both India and Pakistan have differing narratives about the events and the nature of agreement. This is for the day. Keep watching School Tak News channel. Namaste.